Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. In this video, we will learn about the another join creation operator, that is merge operator. If you open this merge, so if you try to see here, creates an output observable which concurrently emits all values from every given input observable he is trying to say. So that means you will be having the input list of all input observables who whatever the observable emits the value, it will directly emit the value to the output observable. It will not wait until the observable is complete, all the observables to complete. It will not wait like that. So whoever emits the value first, it will go and emit the value to the output observable. So that is the merge operator. So just it will directly merge all the output all the values that are coming from the observable and give it to the output observable. If you try to see here, so arguments is nothing but what I can say is these all are array, what I can say, comma oriented or array oriented, something like that. Whatever the thing you want, you can give it a list of all observables. So now here, if you try to see here we are having in the marble diagram, here we are having two observables that are added in a merge operator. If you try to see here, A, B, C is the values that is emitted by the first observable. D, E, F is the values emitted by the second observable. So if you both add these observables to the merge operator, then what will happen is first A will be printed like this. The next second D has came, right? D and B, E like this. Whoever the value first emits, so it will be automatically emitted to the output observable. It will not wait until the first observable to complete or the second observable to complete, all the observables to complete, then pick the last values or something like that. It will not wait. So whoever the values, it is straightforward. Whoever the values emits first, it will be emitted directly to the output observable. So this is the merge operator. So merge subscribes to the given input and simply forwards all the values from the input observable to the output. The output observable only completes once all the input observables has been completed. Any error delivered by an input will immediately emitted in the output observable. So if any one of the observable emits error, means it will directly emit the error in the output observable also. So this is the merge operator. Let's try to see it in the implementation. So if I go here, what I will try to do is, here I will create merge operator. Now let's go to the operators dot what I can say, app routing, and also in the operators dot html. If I open this one, so here I am adding merge, and here I will use merge, okay, and in the here I can use merge, and here I can add merge operator component. That's it. So let's go to the implementation. So merge operator component here. Now let's say that I have a source observable, okay, source $1 is equal to, it will emit the value for every 1000, okay, for every 1 second it will emit the value 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. And I have another observable, source 2 observable. So this will emit the value in a such a way that, sorry, this will emit the value immediately of A comma B like this. So let's try to see what will be the output for this one. So now I am passing these two observables to the merge. So what I can do here, I will use the merge source $1 comma source $2. So you remember that we should not use in the RxJS operators. This should be used in the RxJS. Okay, so this should be imported from the RxJS. Now here dot subscribe data and print the console.log data. So whatever the values it will be printed. Let's try to see. If I go here and if I go to the RxJS basics, and in this operators, if I go into the operators and if I go to the merge, if you try to see here what is happening, so we are getting an error. Okay, what could be the error? I think in the app routing. So I have used the merge fine. So now let's try to refresh it again. So if I try to refresh it again, and let's try to see again, I am pressing merge. Hey, why, what is happened? So let's try to see in the operators.html also whether what we have given. Oh, sorry, we have given reverse. So I need to give capital here. Yeah. Now let's try to see the output. Now if I go to the merge here, now we are getting AB 0, 1, 2, 3. It is going on printing again here. See, whoever the values prints first, okay, So in the merge components, so first interval, so we'll start emit the value from 1 second onwards. By the time the second observable has emitted the values AB. So that is the reason, so AB value printed first, and then afterwards interval is printing the values. Now for example, I have a source 3. Okay, source 3. So this one is emitting the values in such a way that 100, 200, 300. Let's assume. Now I will pass this source 3 also to this one. Now let's try to see how it will print AB 100, 200, 300 and 0, 1, 2 it is printing. So that means here what is happening here, source 2 and the source 3 are emitting immediately the values. So it defining in the order. So AB is printed first and the 100, 200, 300 is printed first, and source 3 also, source 1 is also subscribed, but it is started emitting the values after 1 second, 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. So that is the reason. So these two values is emitted automatically, and then afterwards interval is executing. So parallelly all the observables will emit, will execute. So whoever emits first, so those values will be outputted to the output observable in the order. Okay, so this is about this merge operator. For example, if I have something like source 4, let's assume, so this is a custom observable, let's assume new observable of observer. Okay, so this one observer dot next of, so it will emit a value something like Leela. Okay, and here, so it is completed. Let's assume that it is completed. So first we will take it as a complete. Okay, we'll test the scenarios, what will happen. So now here I am adding the source $4 also. Okay, now what is the output here? So AB 100, 200, 300 and Leela is printed, and it is, and interval is going on executing. This is fine. And now what I will try to do is I will try to throw the error. Okay, so instead of having this complete, I will throw the value Leela and error. Now what will happen? Let's try to see. AB 100, 200 Leela and error. So interval has stopped executing. Why? Because so it got an error. So that means if any of the observable emits an error, means the remaining all observable will stop emitting the values, and the merge will complete and it will throw an error. You need to understand. By the time, so before this throwing the error, AB 100, 200, these all things have been emitted. So those all things came as an output when Leela is emitted, and again immediately after that one error has been emitted. So that is the reason. So it has stopped executing the observables. So this is about the merge operator. So what this merge operator does is, it will execute, it will subscribe to all the observables at a time, and it will start emitting the values. Whoever emits the values, it will simply forwards that one to the subscription. That's it. Whereas the concat wait for all the observables to complete, and wait for one observable, it will subscribe to one observable only, and it will emit all the values emitted by the observable, first observable, then only it will go to the next observable. And another one, what is that? Fork join. It will wait for all the observables to complete, and it will take only the last values from the observables. So these are the things. Combine latest means nothing but all the observables, it will wait for it to emit at least one value. So if any of the observer emitting the values, means it will take the value, latest values from all the observables, and it will throw it as an array. So this is about the merge operator. So hope you understood about this merge operator. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.